Isn't it stunning to watch an entitled generation fight company-wide layoffs and cost-cutting? Not by offering to work harder, but by trying to sue and unionize. I'm Kim Komando, brought to you by T-Mobile. Their advanced network now goes farther than ever before. Visit T-Mobile.com/55 today. As big tech, Amazon, Twitter, Facebook, and others announce layoffs and stop over-the-top employee benefits like free breakfast, lunch, and dinners, free dry cleaning, free transportation, this entitled generation believes that they are owed the jobs they once had. They've never seen a recession. They've never realized that a company must be profitable to stay in business. In their minds, the employer is evil and has no right to reduce its staff and payroll. So they've set up private safe room communication channels to band together. Some are hoping lawsuits are the answer. Some want to unionize. Others comfort one another, but none of them offer solutions to help the company and save their jobs. Try my new fun Daily Tech podcast called Kim Komando today.